How to get rid of bad dog breath. 3 simple tips. Does your dog have bad breath? It's more common than you might think, and it can be caused by many things from gum disease to a buildup of plaque and tartar on the teeth. Thankfully, there are some simple steps you can take to help your dog's breath smell better in just 24 hours or less. Here are 3 tips on how to get rid of bad dog breath. Know what causes bad dog breath. The first step to getting rid of bad dog breath is understanding what causes it. The most common cause is plaque and tartar buildup on your dog's teeth. This can be caused by not brushing your dog's teeth regularly, not feeding them dental-friendly foods, or simply because they have a lot of teeth. Other causes of bad dog breath include infections, kidney disease, and diabetes. Brush your pet's teeth regularly. Most people know that they should brush their own teeth at least twice a day, but did you know that you should also be brushing your pet's teeth? Just like humans, dogs and cats can get plaque buildup on their teeth, which can lead to bad breath. The best way to combat this is to brush your pet's teeth regularly. You can use a special pet toothbrush and toothpaste or even just a wet cloth. Be sure to do this at least once a week, and your pet's breath will stay nice and fresh. Include treats in your pet's diet. Treats are a great way to help keep your pet's teeth clean and their breath smelling fresh. Look for treats that are high in fiber and low in sugar. Avoid giving your pet human food, as this can cause weight gain and other health problems. Don't miss out on the best dog dental chews to keep your pup's teeth healthy and strong. Click the link in the description for details.